In this video, I'm going to show you how selling dropshipping product to dropship today despite Trump tariff on China. I'm going to give you the product names, the product original cost, the suggested product selling price, the profit margin that you should be expecting, the current dropshipping stores selling this product, the ad copies, and how you can add this product to your Shopify store and scale. You ready? Number one in this list is the study cart armor. Also ensure that before you import a product to a Shopify store, you check on the reviews. Focus on the reviews left by US customers. Take your time with the product photography and go through each and every product photos or image to ensure that they have the highest quality. But don't worry, suppose AliExpress doesn't provide high quality product photos, you can as well design your product photos using Canva or even AI. Now let's talk numbers. You're going to buy this product from AliExpress at $17. We suggest you sell it at $39 and above. Your profit margin is going to be around $22 with the cost per acquisition around $3 to $6. So that's make your net profit $22 to $25 depending with your ad target and demographic. The current pages running ads on this product has 532 likes, 48 comments, and the engagement score about 10 there. So if you're going to run ads on this specific product, I suggest that you visit the existing page running this ad, check on their ad copies, ad creative, and also your new ad should address what customers are saying about this specific product in the comment section. You are advised to go through each and every comment section to see the complaints and what you can improve in the ad that you are going to run to make it better. These are the demographics that I will suggest you target while running ads on this product. The country should be USA, and the gender you want to target is female love pets, and the age should be around 21 to 65 plus. Let Facebook do their thing. The audience size should be below 6 million but not above 6 million. You can target interests as cat toys, whiskers, pet suppliers, etc. So let's check one of the stores that is selling this specific product and what you can do better. Your main agenda here is to make a better website or store than the one we are looking at right now. If you're not good at designing Shopify store, we offer Shopify store design services, link in the description. And if you can make your own Shopify store, I would suggest you go with a professional dropshipping theme like Debutify. On to our second product, which is the outdoor solar fan art. This product will cost you $12.18 on AliExpress.com. Now, the first thing you need to focus on is to check on the product image and photography. When the photography is of high quality, it results to a high quality professional dropshipping store. Now, here is an active ad of this product. Your work is to simply spy on existing ads, look at what they are doing wrong, improve on yours, make good ad copies, ad creatives, try and address the customer's concern by going through the comment section. Make your dropshipping store better than the existing one, like this one. This is a typical dropshipping store. This product will cost you $12 and you can sell it for $49 with a profit margin of $32. You are good to go. The engagement as seen in the previous video, over 200 likes, 61 comments, and a good engagement rate. Suggest you go with the US as your main country. Target the male audience age between 21 to 65 plus. Maintain the age audience size to 6 million. Don't go beyond that. The third product making the list is the portable bodycam HD recorder. This portable bodycam HD video recorder is around $9.41 on AliExpress, and you can sell it for $29 and above with a profit margin estimated at $20 plus. Now let's see this product on AliExpress. Your focus should be where the ratings are coming from and the reviews. If the US ratings and reviews are higher, it means that this product quality is good and their shipping time is as described. So it doesn't mean that you go with this specific supplier. You can also find different suppliers selling this specific product. Once again, let's do our benchmarking and see the active dropshipping ads on Facebook for this product. As you can see, the aim here is to learn and make your ad better than the one you are watching. So you interact with the existing ad, you see the number of comments, the number of likes, the complaints, and also click the link to the active landing page of this specific product. Learn a thing or two from their landing pages and make yours better. Okay, so the store currently selling this product list it at $40, and they have some emergency app on the landing page, plus add to cart and buy now. You know, those typical dropshipping apps which I will not recommend you have on your Shopify store. If you're going to have them, at least they should be minimal. Now, go on Shopify store, sign up, and make a professional Shopify store better than what we are watching right now. Again, if you're going to run ads on Facebook or any other platform, target US as your country, gender, target all gender, age 21 to 65. The interest or keywords to target are surveillance, phone accessories, or gadgets, but there are many that you can also explore. On to the fourth product in this list of what selling dropshipping product is the washing machine sneaker cleaning bag. The washing machine sneaker cleaning bag is one to have, and you can sell it for $29 to $39 depending on the demographic that you are going to target. Now, such products convert well by showing an influencer using the product, the actual use of the product, demonstration and everything as these videos shows. So your ad should focus on having an actual person using the product. So this is the store selling this product. I can say this is a very well done Shopify dropshipping store. But as always, when designing your Shopify store, try not to mimic an existing Shopify store or dropshipping store of your choice. The goal is to make your dropshipping store better than the one we are seeing. But this has captured almost everything that is needed in a dropshipping store. The next product on our list is the MultiFunction folding camping lantern. Now, this MultiFunction folding camping lantern is one to add to your dropshipping store. So it currently sells at $7 on AliExpress, and you can sell it at $20 to $29 based on who you are targeting, your demographic, and your budget. As you can see, it has a clean product photography, and I know you can find better images than these current ones on AliExpress. Once again, focus on reviews, focus on reviews, feedback from US, and find a better supplier of this product on AliExpress or using a third-party supplier platform. Now, for you to draw existing customers to your landing pages for them to make a sale, you must work on your ad creative and produce better ad copies and videos. So as you can see, the existing ad running on Facebook right now is a short and precise. So give your ad creative a different approach from this one and make a killer ad out of it. So let's check out the store. The existing store selling this product is very professional, very well done. The layout is very professional. There are no empty spaces, no unnecessary apps installed. It's just a clean and straight to the point landing page. You can make a landing page like this one, but as I said, don't mimic an existing Shopify store. You can make yours from scratch, better, cleaner, with customers in mind for easy navigation and everything. So yeah, go ahead and launch your dropshipping store. You can use Debutify theme, or if you don't know how to design Shopify store, we are here to help you. There's a link below this video. If you just watched the video, I'm sure you're now equipped with shipping products that you can test today. Let me know in the comment section the product you've tested, the ones that you want to test, the ones that failed, and let me know if you like this kind of videos in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.